back to my channel. Okay guys, I've missed you. It's been so long I've done a video, but sijawatupa sana. I need to do another unboxing. I've been bringing things, but I've not been unboxing with you guys. Yeah, and that's why I keep telling you to come and visit our shop. Yeah, where are we located? Taveta Road, Samagat building. Yeah, but today I want to unbox with you something that we have here. This is from TZ. Yeah, from Tanzania. So I want us to unbox so that I can show you what I've gotten, and then ndio mkuja sasa munitishe supplier. Mukinitisha supplier, you know how we go about it. Lazima tutaongea, yeah guys, but I want us to open together and then I'm able to give you a review about what I think. So far this is like the third or the fifth time that I've brought things, and you can see this is a huge package, as you can see. Yeah, so unbox with me and get to see what we've brought. And if you are liking this video, make sure you drop a comment and subscribe guys. We are almost to 4K subscribers. Yeah, can you check kama ume subscribe guys? Yeah, so let us unbox. Hii jina ya nini ionekani? Yeah, so for those who are asking on my other videos, how do you transport? Most of the time you normally transport using Tahmid. Yeah, so they're the people who are going to bring your goods here. Yeah, so I've noticed they charge you according to the size of the package. If the package is so small, it's going to be charged 20,000 Tanzania shillings. If the package is big, it should be charged about 40,000 Tanzanian shillings. Yeah, so like this one, I was charged 40k Tanzania shillings. Yeah, so let's unbox together. Yeah, let's space. Oh wow. So the first item guys, we have this backpack. And actually guys, I do have a pre-order group for TZ imports, so if you're interested, make sure you join. Actually I didn't think these backpacks they have such nice quality, and it's super. Look at that, very nice quality. Yeah, so you'll find it's not only handbags that they have. Yeah, they also bring other things, even bags for school. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, so this one came in different colors. We have the blue, we have the gray, and this one we have black. Yeah, we also have black. Yeah, so these ones are similar with the other ones, so I won't be unboxing the others. Yeah, so that I can save on space and your time. Yeah, so let us go to the next thing. Oh wow, I love the quality, by the way. Hey, imagine pesa tulipata hii bags nayo. Wow, you need to join my import group. Yeah, you need to join my import group. Yeah, so let's go to the next one. Yeah, this is a handbag. Oh really, guy? Wow. Hey, on the package to package. Yeah, this is the quality guys. Yeah, the quality is something else. I hope you can see me well. It comes with this partitioning, as you can see. Really good quality bags. Yeah, I think so what I've learned so far is if you want quality and big handbags, you also need to get there. They're a bit pricey, yeah, but of course not compared to Kenya. But when you go for the cheaper one, the cheaper you go, the smaller the bag, the lower the quality. Yeah, so that's something else to consider. Yeah, look at that. I love the partitioning. Yeah, this is a nice gift for your mpoa, yeah, ama for your mom. Look at that. This is also a good one. You can go with it to work. Yeah, so I love it. So we have this one. This one came in different colors. We have this color. We have the beige. Yeah, we have the, I think so this is the dark gray. Yeah. So let us go to the next bag. Oh, these ones are big. Guys, as you continue watching, I'm going to ensure you have subscribed to this channel, yeah? Wow. Hey, they're big. Let us see how they look inside. Oh, wow, it's a 2-in-1. Look at that. Hey, wow. Yeah, so even this one had different colors. So we have that. So it came in this color too. Is this the same bag? Yeah, the same bag. This color. We have this color. Yeah. So the next one. Guys, please drop a comment, yeah? You tell me what you're thinking about this unboxing. Drop a comment for me. And then I love the fact that it comes well packaged like this. This is something even when you're taking to your customer, yeah? I feel, yeah, this is a legit item. The packaging is so nice. So we have that. Yes, so we have this type also. Look at that. But it's quite packaged. So it looks like that. As you can see, it's a cute big bag. Yeah, this one kwanza for going to work, eh? Look at that. Yeah, so this one we had different colors too. We have different colors. Yeah, we have a red, we have a black. Yeah. Oh wow, these ones I want us to see them together because hey, I really want to see how they look. One, two. Yeah. As you can see, look at it, guys. Wow. Yeah, I don't know how they call this material. Let me show you closer. So it's quite packaged, but let me show you inside. I know you've been seeing these bags trending. Yeah, so it looks like that. Yeah, very well partitioned. Yeah, this is a bag when you carry like that. Look at that. Really nice, yeah. So this one also had different colors. Fit in black. Yeah, and we had it also in this color, in brown. Yeah, so we have these two small bags. As I told you guys, if you want something quality, you buy something at a better price. If you want it something small, you get something small. Yeah, so this one we have this type. Look at that. It's really cute for the price, by the way. Yeah. And then I love the fact that it has a zipper. I love the fact that it has a zipper, as you can see. Yeah, so this one comes in different colors. We have green, we have white. Yeah. Oh, and then we do have beige, yeah. Yeah, this one, we have opened this one. Yeah. This is a different type. Let us see how this one looks. Oh yeah, this is a different type. Yeah, so this one looks like this. Hey, the quality, guys, the quality, yeah. This is a bag that you will carry for so long, yeah. As you can see here, the quality. Kwanza, when you see a bag with these hooks like this, yeah, it's something that doesn't tear easily. Yeah, when you carry things that are heavy. Yeah, so this one looks like this. That's the back part of it, and it has a lot of partitioning, as you can see. Yeah, so this one also came in different colors. I've seen we have a beige. Yeah, so we have different colors for that. My problem is oh yeah, did I show you this one? Oh wow, look at that color. Yeah, I had shown you the black one for this one. Hey, really cute. Look at that. Yeah, so we have that one too. Yeah, I was super excited to see these ones. Yeah, there's so many. Yeah, these are different type. We've never brought this type before. Yeah, so let me show you how it looks. Oh wow, kwanza the quality. Look at that. These are a nice bag if you're going for a picnic here. Look at that. But then this one, they have delivered. What we had in mind and what they have put, it's exactly the same. Let me try show you how it looks when it has items inside. Yeah, so look at that. Oh wow. Yeah, so this one came in different colors. We have the different colors. We have this color, we have this color. Yeah, so they only had two colors, either this one or this one. Yeah, and imagine the people who were in my pre-order group, they got these ones. I'll insert the price there because I'll check on from the group. Yeah, they were really cute. Yeah, so I think so I've shown you almost everything. Yeah, we had this type too. Guys, these bags are many. Yeah, we had this type too. Oh, let me show you this type. Look at that. This one is smaller than I thought, but the quality, guys, I hope you can be able to see that. It's really cute. Yeah, so this one also had different colors. Yeah, we have it in black. We have another red. And we have it in green. Oh wow, the green is super cute also. Yeah. So this time we also got wallets, as you can see. Let me show you this one. Look at that. It has a lot of partitionings, as you can see. Yeah. And what I love about everything is the quality. Yeah, the size might be small, but the quality superb. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We have a lot of planning to do here as we organize these things. Yeah, so guys, I keep telling you, you need to subscribe to my channel, you need to join my WhatsApp group. Yeah, you'll Please notice under the description I'm going to put the link to the WhatsApp group. Yeah, make sure you join the link and come and enjoy all these offers that are going on here. Yeah guys, and make sure you like this video. Yeah, let's get to 100 likes on this video guys. Yeah, and until the next video, bye bye.